What's good, guys? Can we see it? Terra Luna Classic finally removes another zero. We're at $0.0001 today with a $663 million market cap, ranked 213. So let's explore what's happening with Terra Luna. We've just passed proposal 4159, which is really good as well. Over the last 7 days, you can see the price has been very volatile, but we are kind of holding steady around this key sticky point, which is really a sticking point in my opinion, the 0.0001 level, where we just need to see a confirmation and a decisive move, either to the upside or the downside. So here is the tweet here. Congratulations, Luna Classic community. Proposal 4159 has passed with 65.96% support. What a success as a united community to restore governance and bring Luna Classic back to life. Let's stay united and keep supporting each other. As you can see, yes won with 65.96%. Most people abstained. A lot of people also said no to this particular vote. But either way, this is super bullish for the whole ecosystem, and I'm quite glad to see that it's happened. Hopefully, it will be a bit of a price catalyst for the future. What else do we have going on with Luna Classic? Well, when we scroll through, we can see there's so much going on with Luna Classic right now. The social engagements are increasing ever more. That means there's more hype around the project and the community is growing stronger and stronger. So let's check out some technicals on what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment. What I have noticed is we are getting the potential formation here of a double top pattern. That's where you get a swing high to a resistance, a swing low to the neckline, a swing high to a resistance. With a potential formation, if we get this next swing low, we've got a double top where we could effectively break the support and make our way down to $20,000. If we lose to $20,000, we could still see $19,000 Bitcoin. So altcoins path still very much depends on the movement of Bitcoin, what it decides to do next. Bollinger Bands on Bitcoin, we're just hovering above that 20-day moving average, and we are printing a green candle on the daily time frame. So it looks quite good at the moment. If we can sustain this pump, if we can consolidate here, we might rise back up to $25,000. Now let's check out Luna Classic, because what an exciting setup we've got here. You can see that sticking point has been challenged once again. I mean, if we look at the daily time frame, time and time again, this 0.0001 level, this orange line, which is just a lot of touchdowns of resistance and support, we are just getting rejected time and time again. And when we look at this, you can see we've got crazy amounts of support at the 0.000085 level, but we also have a mad amount of resistance around the 0.00011 level. But guys, if you're new here, I'm doing a $200 giveaway. All you got to do is slap that subscribe button. You know what to do. So let's hop back into charts. You can see, you know, we're talking about this range here. So what's really happening is we're sort of chopping between the 0.00008 level and the 0.00011 level. We're chopping around, we're getting lots of volatility. I mean, look at this swing high from 26th of July over here to the 1st of August. Just that alone shows you how volatile this project is. The fact that that offered investors a 38% pump to the upside. So really, I'm just hoping we can consolidate around this level. We still have another support just below at 0.000096. If we can break through this 0.0001 level, then we should start to get a bit of continuation to the upside here. If we look at our fib extension tool, if we do break through the resistance, the first targets we can start looking at is 0.00012, 127, and 132, which is the golden pocket at the 1.618 Fibonacci right there. So it's all about breaking through this resistance here, in my opinion. The more we consolidate here, trade sideways, the more accumulation, which is fine because we have been in this range now for 34 days. Previously, we had an accumulation range down here, which was back in June, and also that took a while. That took 18 days after that accumulation where we're sort of chopping about with volatility. That's where we saw the explosion to the upside. So I'm anticipating we're going to get something similar happen. We're going to consolidate for a long time, and then eventually we are going to get that decisive move. I'm not saying it's going to be a crazy move, but at least 0.0002 is a pragmatic target in my opinion. So something like that to happen on the price charts for Luna Classic. What else is happening with crypto? We should look at some indicators to help us make key decisions. How can we find value in the market today? Well, let's look at the consumer price index, what's going on at the moment. Of course, the CPI printed one of the biggest reports last month, and we've got the next one coming out on the 10th of August. Now, personally, I think that CPI is going to come down in August. I think what we're seeing is actually a bit of deflation right now. Whilst everyone thinks inflation is coming on board, I think we are in deflation at the moment. I think what we'll see is petrol come down, commodities come down, some living expenses come down a little bit, and I think in August CPI report is going to look better, maybe 8%, maybe 7%. I'm not entirely sure, but I think things are slowly recovering. Fear and greed index today, we're sitting at 34. Quick refresh. So we're out that extreme fear phase as we had last month, and as we can see, lots of projects have done super good. Crypto bubbles as well. I mean, look at this, Bitcoin up to 23k, ETH 1.65, doing really good on the monthly time frame. So it just shows that the extreme fear did provide prosperity for the high risk, high reward traders. Lots of altcoins, layer 1 infrastructures, financial services, meme coins are doing really good. Lots of green in the market, a reminder of euphoria, and once again, all that thrill likes to invalidate our logic as we start to chase the green again. Note to self and you, we are still in a bear market, so stay cautious, do not get too greedy too soon. As we can see, market cap Ethereum doing good on the day, 5% up, 2.5% up for Bitcoin, BNB doing rather good as well. And when we look at the rainbow chart, we are still looking extremely undervalued if you have a long-term vision for cryptocurrency. So that's about a wrap with this video, guys. Make sure you hop into all of my socials down below, get into the Discord, get into the Telegram, have a look at the $3,000 giveaway as well as my own. That would be super helpful, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as I will be sticking around through the entire bear markets. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you soon.